God. Today we are doing. And what are we doing?
So what does it look like? You have spicy chips in front of you, and then you have Poppet and Fidgets.
Are we like playing with Poppet and Fidgets, and when we keep on playing, the prize is this?
All right, so let me show you. So the title of this video is "The Last to Stop Eating Spicy Chips While Playing with Poppets
Okay.
wins a mystery prize." All right, so are you guys ready?
I love these kind of games.
So you guys get to pick 5. So you guys, we're gonna do rock paper scissors to go first. Who's gonna pick the first Poppet?
Okay, you go.
Fidget.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shit. Rock, paper, scissors, shit. I choose this one.
Wait. You have to be playing with your Poppet / Fidget while eating your chips, and you can't stop. And you know that glass of water beside you, Aisha?
Mm-hmm.
You're not allowed to take a sip.
Can I take a sip right now?
No.
Please.
You're going to be out of the game before it even starts.
Can we have a free pass?
So that's the thing. You get 1 free
I'm joking right now.
pass.
Okay,
I don't know how I'm doing it because my mouth is really dry.
That's your free pass out. Aisha, okay?
So this is Aisha's free pass. I have 1 step only. So you get 1 free pass to drink because these are quite spicy, and I know Aisha and Arush can't handle spicy.
Guys, if I eat one thing that's spicy or if it's actually not spicy, I'm gonna scream my life.
No, she ate rice, plain rice, and she started screaming that it was so spicy.
Okay.
I screamed my life. I chugged the whole thing of milk.
That much because I know that they're going to be out on the first round. It's the first hour, trust me. Ready? So, Arush, is that your first Fidget? This
Yes.
one. Okay, Aisha, you pick one.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, now Arush,
I'm gonna pick this one.
pick.
I'm going to pick this one.
I'm gonna pick
I'm going to pick this one.
I'm gonna pick this one.
I'm gonna pick this one.
I'm gonna
One more.
pick this guy.
I'm going to pick.
Do we have to play with all of these switches at the same time or one?
No, one at a time, but you have to be playing with it, okay?
Do we have to play with every single one, or can we just play with one for the whole challenge?
No, you don't have to play with every single one, but try to play with the most of them.
Okay.
We have our chips, punchy paprika flavor. Then we have strong jalapeno and cheese max. We have Monster Munch sweet and sour flaming hot. We have baked Watson giant sweet and sour flaming hots. Then finally we have Doritos chili heatwave flavor corn chips.
Guys, I have 2 things to tell you. If you hear the door, that just means Muhammad. It might not be that spicy because we went to the corner shop and they only had a few left.
Alright, are you guys ready to try and see your chips?
Yeah.
So, I will be thinking of a chip in my head, okay? So, it's going to be, I'm going to be thinking of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to mix them up, guys. Remember the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you guys close your eyes. Mix. Do you guys still remember which one's which?
No.
Alright.
I did.
So, remember.
I don't understand the game, so.
Can we look?
2, no.
My eyes can't.
So I'm thinking of a number. If you get the closest or you get it, you get that chip, okay? So I'm thinking of, okay. Arush, you can open your eyes. Alright, so what number do you pick, Aisha?
I pick 4.
Okay, Arush, you pick a number.
3.
3. So my number was actually 2, and who got the closest? If you guys remember the order, 2 was jalapeno and cheese. By the way, you guys can share chips. You can. That's a rule. So you get these.
So what would I get?
No. Okay, now we're doing it again.
Oh.
So that was 2 taken away. So we only have 1, 3, 4, and 5. Close your eyes again, and I'll mix them up. Mix. Close. And
We cannot look at them first.
okay, close your eyes. Are you peeking?
What?
Are you peeking?
No.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Music. I
Alright.
think they're paper rings.
Okay. You guys can open your eyes and let me think of a number. Okay, Aisha, what's your number?
My number is 1.
Okay.
3.
3. My number was actually 4.
Yay!
And Arish got the closest. No, let me tell you what 4 was. 4 was these.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so.
What if Aisha doesn't get it because I'll share all mine?
Okay. Ready? You guys show. Okay, close your eyes.
I'm really bad at this game, guys.
Okay. Don't worry, you still can share. 3. It's just like. Let me just remember. This was. I forgot what order this was.
That was like, those were 2. Remember?
Oh yeah. So that was 1, 5. Close your eyes. 1, 5. I'm thinking of the number. What numbers have been done? I wish you can open your eyes.
2.
2. Wait, no. 2 and 4.
Okay, so I picked the number. Okay, got it. Aisha? 3. Arush?
1.
It was 3 actually, Aisha.
Yay, what
So
did
what was number 3? I think it was this one. So you get these. Ready? So we only have 2 left.
The chips aren't even.
What?
The chips aren't even. So we're someone's gonna have like 3. Somebody's gonna have 2.
Yeah. So that one is number 5. That one is number.
Can we switch chips?
We'll come to that later. And so
Well,
close your eyes.
Pineapple squishy soda to this one.
Okay. So close your eyes.
Ah, that hurt.
All right. So. All right. So, Arush, open your eyes. Arush, open your eyes.
Aisha, don't pull my hair. Next time. Yeah, okay.
Okay, Arush, Aisha, what's the number you pick?
I pick 5.
You pick?
5.
What do you pick?
What numbers are there? 5.
1 and 5.
Oh,
We would have done one. Remember, I got this.
1.
That wasn't 1.
1.
So, I was thinking of 5. So, you get these.
Yes, I did that.
Yes.
I
You
got
get
my paper.
Alright.
Arush, no. We will determine who gets it. So, please give me it. Rock, paper, scissors. You and Arush. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. Arush wins!
Yay!
So Arush gets this.
I'll share with you.
It's fine.
Wait. Can we switch?
You have 1 switch.
Can I please switch?
Next one. I thought Arush had them. Oh no, you get B. Open your chips. Begin. Really spicy, but I'm not. Oh my god, that's so spicy.
No, I don't.
This is non-copyright music. I love these. Let's try them.
That happened to people. No, I still don't.
What's your go-to right now?
I'm a boss.
This is my favorite right now. Not even that spicy.
Again, spicy.
You can have one. You stop if you want. Remember?
Not yet.
Just
Are you guys struggling yet?
it's not that spicy right now. I always have those.
I'm surprised you both aren't trying to get each other out.
If you hear this, I'm squishing it. Now water.
You want water?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
I tried to take it as big as a sip as I could.
Ah, my tongue's burning. Drink it.
Guys, you know that sip I took at the start of the video? It didn't count because now you didn't say the video started yet.
I have a ring pop. And Ruth loves ring pops, but she can't
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
eat it because. Take a lick, take a lick, take a lick. Aisha, do you want to take a lick? You Guys, we have very bad news. Aisha is going to take a sip. No. No.
And I saw the last time she didn't really cut. I like when you fidget.
Huh?
When you're opening your back and you like when you fidget.
No. I thought you meant that. Wait, can you? Okay. I wish was nearly out for a second.
So squishing it and I thought.
Where's that bag?
I want not one. I like this one.
I'm gonna try this. They're not bad, but they're not good.
I cannot handle spicy.
How was the shoot?
You guys can you guys can switch your fidget now if you want.
Too big.
Yeah, I just squish. I need to drink water so bad.
Me too. I actually might be some.
Come on, you have it. That's so slick.
Wow.
I tell you water is really bad. I tell you, I need water.
Me too.
Pass me the water.
I'm gonna take a sip first.
Bro, what are you talking about?
We're gonna take a sip. We're gonna be out.
Yes, so. The mystery pies might be better than drinking this water.
Water helps you survive, you know. That might help. And
No.
fire doesn't help you survive. It makes you die.
There's a hidden camera on there.
Pass to me. It's solution Aisha's can. And we're gonna take some water.
Yeah. We actually, this is like, and I won't know this. Yeah. Let's drink it. I am scared.
You can do it. You can do
She
it.
said she's gonna check the cameras.
Oh, don't do it.
You do it.
No.
Guys, I'm gonna take a sip.
Show me.
So I saw her, she went like that, and then I saw like water go through it, and she drank it.
And
She
then
actually.
I was
Check the
going
cameras.
to.
Check the cameras.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I was going to, guys.
Okay, time. Guys, let's do a replay. Guys, you saw that too.
No, guys, I put it against my lips, but I did not drink it. Arush is out as well.
Arush, stop playing with your Fidgets.
I should drink in the water.
Doesn't matter. We're both out.
So,
But who's the
but Arush didn't stop until you drank the water.
Well, it doesn't matter because she's already out.
You're the winner.
What's
Alright.
the prize?
So, let's have a think, shall we? So you are out. Unlimited budget on Toka Boka.
No, I don't want that. I want a ring pop.
After all that thinking, you want a ring pop.
Yeah.
Okay, eat the ring pop, I guess.
Yay.
I was just quite upset.
I don't see you. You don't see me.
I don't think that's how it works.
It is.